Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this lovely Jaguar F-Pace. So this car comes with 22-inch alloy wheels. You get front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera and electric tailgate. Now inside the car you've got leather interior. The front seats are positioned electronically and the driver's seat has memory function. The touchscreen, this comes with sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, a Meridian sound system, and the car has Jaguar service history. So let's have a look around. This car comes with the automatic 3-litre V6 diesel engine that gives you 296 horsepower. It has done under 27,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.